Large rooms can accumulate large amounts of air pollutants. You may clean the entire room, but how can you clean the air and remove dust, pollen, smoke, and other contaminants? To ease your job, an air purifier can relieve your shoulder as it can automatically purify the air and kill all the jazz from your home so that you can breathe fresh air. In today's video, we will talk about the top 5 best air purifiers for large rooms. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Keep your room odor-free and breathe fresh air with the Rabbit Air A2 Ultra. That will allow you to control it without leaving your comfort zone. It can cover up to 815 square feet of space, while its advanced HEPA filtration with 6 stages of purification and deodorization filters out odors, dander, allergen, and others efficiently. Its Energy Star certified ultra-quiet motor operates at 5 speeds with noise levels ranging from 20.8 to 45.6 decibels, giving you a whisper-quiet sleeping experience. Without moving from your comfort zone, you can connect this purifier to your Wi-Fi network and control it using the Rabbit Air app. Its smart light sensor detects the interior illumination and acts automatically from sleep to active mode. You can use it either standalone position or mount on the wall to cover the maximum area of your interior. The Rabbit Air A2 Ultra can be another addition to your home if you like to sleep in a quiet place and breathe fresh, healthy air every time. Designed to meet the needs of business and high-traffic areas, the Molekule Air Pro can destroy the widest range of pollutants compared to conventional purifiers. Its particle sensor detects air particles in 3 sizes, while the breakthrough PECO technology destroys all pollutants and other harmful things from the air. It offers 2 automated modes for extra particle protection. And app connectivity lets you control Air Pro's fan speed, check your air particle levels and filter status, and get notified when it's time to change your PECO filter. On top of the purifier, it has a touch-sensitive status indicator that allows you to control the device manually and also track the replacement schedule for your PECO filter. This product is energy efficient as it uses very low power to operate, even if you use it for 24 hours. If your house is in a busy area and you have a large room, then the Molekule Air Pro is the right air purifier to be considered, as it can cover vast space and kill germs from the air. When fresh air is vital, nothing can beat the Coway Airmega 400, which is the smartest air purifier on our list. Its air pollution sensor measures indoor air quality in real time, and the bright colored LEDs indicate the quality of the air that you're breathing every second. Its included Smart Echo mode conserves energy by shutting off the fan when the air quality is good for 10 minutes or more. Even the sleep mode lets the fan run at the lowest speed, so the fan rotation sound won't bother you at night while you're sleeping. When you're heading to your home from outside, you can control it through the mobile app, which lets you know the current status so the environment stays prepared for you. The Airmega Dual Suction features pull-in air from both sides, allowing more polluted air in and pushing more clean air out. It can keep the air clean in a room up to 1560 square feet. Its advanced filters remove pollutants as small as 0.3 microns. The lifetime indicators tells you when it's time to clean or replace filters, so you never have to worry about it. The best part is, its pre-filter is washable, so you don't have to buy new filters whenever you're cleaning it. Overall, if you forget to control purifier settings, then this air purifier is smart enough to keep the indoor clean and fresh without presence. Dyson has an entire family of air purifiers, and there's something that works for everyone. Now meet the Pure Hot Plus Cool Purifying Fan, which can keep you safe from all the jazz of your home. Like the Airmega 400, it also shows you the air quality of your surroundings, and once it senses a pollutant, it changes the color and starts working by sealing them into the HEPA filter. Then, it projects purified air back out around the whole room. Its powerful heating and cooling system enables you to adjust the room temperature according to your needs. It also works automatically so that you can stay comfy all day long. You can see real-time reports, remotely control your purifier, and create schedules around your day using the Dyson Link app. To expand your user experience, it's also compatible with Alexa voice control. The Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool Purifying Fan's super lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for small families or who live in a pretty large compartment. Alright, coming at number 1, we have got the PuriCare 360-degree air purifier from LG. It's the overall best air purifier for improved indoor air quality and a fresher atmosphere. It may not cover maximum range like the Airmega 400, but it can effectively clean air in your home or office up to 512 square feet, ensuring the air quality enhances at the top level and you can breathe healthy air. The filter it has can capture 99.97% of the microscopic particles that pass through the filters, while the built-in sensors detects contaminants 1 micron or smaller in diameter. It offers asthma and allergy-friendly certified PuriCare air purifiers that remove over 90% of airborne allergens, so you, your baby, and your furry friend stay harm-free. Built-in intelligent LED indicator system changes color according to the room's air quality, and its 3 modes promote clean air delivery even on the ground, where infants and toddlers can reap the reward. The LG PuriCare operates at whisper quiet sound levels as low as 25 decibels so that your baby can sleep well without any disturbance. It features Smart ThinQ Wi-Fi technology so that you can check on your household air conditions with your smartphone. You may also control it using voice commands with your favorite voice assistant. Last but not least, if you want an overall best air purifier for your sweet home and money is not a big deal, then LG's PuriCare is just waiting for you. So that was all about the top 5 best air purifier for large rooms. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.